Hi folks, I'm Ian Baker, and today I want to discuss the Winnebago Era line of Class B motorhomes. The Era is the original luxury touring coach to use the Mercedes-Benz diesel chassis and combine it with fantastic materials and a long list of features. All three of the Era's floor plans are built on the Sprinter XL chassis and measure 24 foot 3 inches long. One of the floor plans also features a slide-out housing a sofa bed. Let's start with the two models without a slide, the 70A and the 70X. Both have a sleeping space in the back, but that's really where the commonalities end. The 70A has a flex bed system in the rear of the RV that can be made up into 2 twin beds or 1 large bed. There's a campside kitchen and wardrobe, and on the driver's side of the RV is the refrigerator, some storage, a wet bath, and a 66-inch long sofa bed with 2 additional seatbelts. The 70X has a large powered sofa bed in the rear of the RV with 2 bench seats that join with the sofa to make a rear king-size bed. The kitchen is on the driver's side of the RV, and there's 2 captain's chairs behind the driver's seat and passenger seat, all of which swivel around a movable pedestal table. The seat behind the driver can also be swapped out for an optional wardrobe. The last floor plan, which is the newest in the lineup, is the 70C. It features a 52 by 75-inch sofa sleeper with a seatbelt for a passenger and a pedestal table for dining. It also has the largest bathroom in the lineup with a spacious rear dry bath. On the camp side, you'll find the kitchen with a countertop extension and a wardrobe. The driver's side has the refrigerator and freezer, plus lots of additional storage. Now that you know what's available in terms of floor plans, let's move on to the features of the Winnebago Era. The coach comes with LED lighting, MCD blackout roller shades, Corian solid surface countertops, soft vinyl ceiling, ultra leather upholstery, multiplex wall switches. Now that we've gone over the floor plans and features of the Era, let's touch on the construction. The Mercedes Sprinter chassis comes with a 3-liter, 6-cylinder, 188 horsepower diesel engine with a 5-speed automatic transmission and a 5,000-pound trailer hitch. Winnebago works closely with Mercedes to ensure the Sprinter chassis is all that it needs to be. From there, Winnebago starts building and assembling the Era. Winnebago prides themselves in making as many components as possible for their motorhomes in-house. From holding tanks to shower stalls, and in many applications, they even build their own furniture. This means they have intimate control over the quality of parts that go into creating this RV. The Winnebago Era is one of the best Class B motorhomes on the market. It offers supreme comfort and luxurious features in a touring coach that simply can't be beat by a lot of the competition.